In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace Ultimate Guide. Expert tips to not get scammed. Start with a realistic budget. Beyond the listing price, include the cost to transfer ownership, registration renewal, repairs and maintenance, and insurance. Keep an extra 10 to 20% for unexpected expenses. When you search on Marketplace, use filters to narrow by vehicle type, price range, nearby location, and the year and mileage you prefer. In descriptions, useful keywords are Casa maintained, first owner, well maintained, and complete papers. Be careful with listings that say rush sale or look too good to be true. Watch for red flags from sellers who refuse meetups, ask for a deposit before viewing, insist on shipping the car, use stolen looking photos, can't show documents, or push you to communicate only outside Facebook. If anything feels rushed or secretive, walk away. Check credibility before messaging. Review the profile for real photos, a long account history, marketplace ratings, and active posts. Brand new or empty profiles are high risk. When you reach out, ask if the car is still available, the reason for selling, any accident or flood history, whether the papers are complete, and if you can meet for an inspection. Straight, consistent answers build trust. Always inspect the car in person. Bring a mechanic or a knowledgeable friend. An OBD scanner is a bonus. Listen for engine noise, check the oil condition, verify the mileage makes sense, look for body rust or repaint, and assess the tires, brakes, air conditioning, and electronics. Never skip the test drive. Verify documents carefully. See the original ORCR, a valid ID of the seller, and a blank deed of sale ready to fill. Confirm the chassis and engine numbers match the papers, and that names match the ID. No original papers means no deal. If available, run legal and history checks like LTO verification and police clearance to confirm the car isn't stolen, under a loan, or tied to any cases. This step prevents big problems. Use your findings to negotiate based on needed repairs, registration status, and the current market price. Be respectful, take your time, and be ready to walk away from pressure. Never send a deposit. No money should be paid before inspection, paper verification, and an in-person agreement. Close the deal safely at a bank, LTO office, police station, or another public place. For payment, count cash together or confirm a bank transfer before releasing the vehicle and documents. Sign the deed of sale in front of the seller. After purchase, transfer ownership immediately, update insurance, and register the vehicle under your name to avoid legal issues.